Please subscribe, I'm desperate. Today I want to talk about how to make your lazy outfits look instantly stylish. We all have those days where we just don't feel like making effort, or we just want to feel comfy, and I mess with that. I do that every day. But I really feel like we can make these lazy outfits look instantly better with just 3 tips that I'm about to give you guys right now. And I also have 2 quick bonus tips at the end, so please stick around for that. So let's skedaddle right into it with my first tip, which is tucking in your top into your pants. I don't care what anybody says, I really think this makes an outfit look instantly fire. I think tucking your top into your bottom changes up the proportions of your outfit, and it just makes it look so cool when you do it. It really gives that vintage and retro vibe to your outfit, which, as you all know, is in style right now and will probably be in style for the next million years. My second tip is accessories. I think obviously wearing accessories should be something you should be doing with every outfit, but wearing accessories with a lazy outfit, especially sweats, that's a game changer. Like, when I say accessories, I mean rings, necklaces, chains, bracelets, earrings, watches, anklets, crossbody bags, beanies, etc. You already know what it is. And my last tip kind of involves what you should be doing while shopping before all of this, which is shopping for loose fitted / oversized clothes. As we already know, oversized and relaxed clothing are also in style. I think it would definitely look stylish when you're wearing oversized baggy clothes. People might not even know that you grabbed anything in your closet in like 5 seconds.
They'll probably be like, oh, that person's so cool, they're so stylish, they're so on trend. Like,
boom, I got you. You don't need to thank me. And along with that, I feel like oversized clothing gives such a cool and retro vibe to an outfit. Try to look for oversized, comfy clothing. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, those are my 3 tips, but I really want to give you 2 quick bonus tips. I think this will really help. So yeah, our first bonus tip has to do with track pants, or any pants with zippers at the ends of their legs or whatever. I think a really popular example of this are Adidas pants, and all you have to do is zip up the zipper on each side of the bottom leg. It's your preference on how much you want to zip it up, but I prefer zipping it up all the way. I think zipping up your Adidas pants or any pants with zippers, that's extremely stylish, and it's very different from how other people wear those type of pants. I don't see a lot of people doing this, so I think you guys should definitely try it out. And my second and last bonus tip is cuffing. Oh, and no, not because it's cuffing season or anything. Oh my god. When I say cuffing, I mean cuffing your clothing, like the ends of your sleeves or pants, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to explain it, I'm just gonna show you in these clips. And that is all I have for you guys today. I have so much homework to do, so get out of here. I don't want you anymore. Bye. Get out. Bye.